Select Top Plane and Sketch, and select Line Command and draw 2 lines. 1 horizontal line and vertical line. Next, Circle Command and draw 2 circle. Circle diameter is 28.5 millimeter and 44 millimeters. Next, Offset Command and Offset Distance, 19 millimeter. Next, Circle Command and draw. 2 circles and circle diameter is 40 millimeter and 19 millimeters. Circle center point to origin point. Distance 48 millimeter. Next, Slot Command and draw 2 slot. One slot radius is 22 millimeter, and second slot top line to bottom line distance is 22 millimeter, and slot center line distance is 25 millimeter. Next, Center Line Command use and draw line horizontal line to 40 degree. Next, Slot Command, Slot Type 4, then draw toe slot. Fast slot radius 22 millimeter. Second slot top line to bottom line distance is 22 millimeter. Next, origin to slot center point distance is 60 millimeter. Next slot to slot center distance is 148 millimeter. Next, select 3-point arc and draw arc or arc relation tangent or arc radius is 16 millimeter. Next again, 3-point arc command and draw. Arc relation tangent ANR radius is 44 millimeter. Next, select Center Point Arc command and draw a arc. Next, Line command and draw, slot to Center Point Arc. Line add relation tangent. Next, select 3-point arc and arc relation is tangent. Center point arc radius is 35 millimeter. 3-point arc radius is 16 millimeter. Fast page setup. How to page setup in AutoCAD tutorial, link in description. Next, select Center Line from Properties. Next, Command Line and Draw Line. Next, select Center Diameter Circle command and draw 2 circle. Circle diameter is 2850 or 44 millimeters. Next, offset command and offset distance is 19 millimeter. Next, line command and draw a line, and the line length is 48 millimeter. Next, circle, and draw 2 circles. Circle diameter is 19 and 40 millimeter. Next, line command and draw a line. The line angle degree 40. Next again, line command and draw a line and line length 60 millimeter. Next, circle command C and draw a circle, and circle radius is 22 millimeter. Next again, circle command and draw origin point to circle, or circle radius is 60 millimeter. Next again, circle command and draw. Circle radius 22 millimeter. Next, circle command. The circle center point is origin point and end quadrant point. Same draw, 2 circles. Next, circle command and draw 2 circle, and circle diameter is 22 millimeter. Next again, draw 2 circle, same rules. Next, trim command and unused line trim. Next, tan radius, circle command, and draw a circle, or circle radius is 16 millimeter. Next, trim. Next, line command and line length 148 millimeter. Next, draw a circle, and circle diameter is 22 millimeter. Next, line command and draw line. Line length is 25 millimeter. Next, circle command and draw circle, or circle diameter is 22 millimeter. Next again, draw 2 circle, or circle radius is 22 millimeter. Next, line command and draw line. Quadrant point to quadrant point. Next, trim unused line. Next, draw a circle or circle radius is 35 millimeter. Next, draw a line. Quadrant point to tangent point. Next, tan. Tan radius, circle command, and draw a circle or circle radius is 16 millimeter. Next, trim. Next again, tan radius, circle command, and draw.